Hey guys, if you've been dreaming of a smartphone that puts DSLR cameras to shame with its camera, and performs like a tiny supercomputer, then your search ends today. Because a phone is coming that's going to take the market by storm. According to leaks, Nokia is about to launch its best and most powerful smartphone yet in just a few days. And this isn't just any ordinary phone, people, this is the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. It's rumored to pack a DSLR killer 400 megapixel camera. So, if you want to know all about this incredible smartphone, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Because today, we're breaking down all the secrets, the full features, the price, and the launch date of this beast. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Features of the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G 2026. Display. The first and most mind-blowing feature of this phone is its display. You get a stunning 6.93-inch LTPO OLED, 4K AMOLED display. Sounds amazing already, right? This display supports an insanely smooth 144Hz refresh rate. We're talking next-level smoothness for gaming, streaming, everything. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and protection from Corning Gorilla Glass Armor Plus. This phone is built to handle scratches and drops. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature that has everyone buzzing, the camera. On the back, there's a triple camera setup. And the primary camera is a whopping 400 megapixels. Yeah, you heard that right, 400 megapixels. It's joined by 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel sensors, all working together to make every shot perfect. And for all you selfie lovers, don't worry, you get a super clear 64 megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute monster. It's rumored to be powered by the world's most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip will give you an unbeatable gaming and multitasking experience. And it's all running on the latest Android 16 operating system, which will take that speed to a whole new level. Battery and charging. Powering this smartphone powerhouse is a massive 9000 mAh battery. That means insane battery life. And when the battery does eventually get low, no problem, because it supports 125-watt ultra-fast charging. We're talking a full recharge in just minutes. It also supports USB Type-C General 2. Price and launch date. So, the big question, how much is this beast going to cost? According to my sources, the price could be set at around $999. Given these insane features, that price seems very competitive. And as for the launch date, get ready, because this phone could be unveiled in early 2026. What do you guys think? Is the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G the ultimate dream phone? Let me know in the comments below.